cash box. So tired. 10 buckaroos. And I also had some money in Venmo. I just don't know off the top of my head. Because I have heat in my stand, which is so nice, I get to restock before Friday, which is awesome. So thankful I do not have to do it in the freezing cold mornings. So I made sourdough. I have garlic butter and then regular. So I have more than this, it's just in the house. Garlic butter. Garlic butter. Thank God for my husband. I also made granola. The recipe in the book literally calls it my favorite granola. And it's pretty good. So, the name shall stay.